To set up your online syllabus, first I want you to open up a new tab, then open up your course sandbox. I'm going to go ahead and open up another course of mine that I've downloaded the same template you have. So you'll see on the white navigation menu that you can click on the syllabus button. Once you are in the course syllabus page, you will see there's a nice syllabus image at the top, which is linked to a template. And you can scroll down and you can see that there's 3 other templates you can look at. And then there's 6 steps on how to copy and share and link this syllabus image. So I'm going to walk you through the steps really quick. But just to show you, if you click on syllabus, there is a template here that you can work on. Okay, let me go back. There's also, again, these 3 other templates. You can click through them, pick the one you want. Once you've chosen the one you like, and I'm just going to go ahead and pick the first one up here. So once you've picked the one you like, what I want you to do first is double check that you're in the proper account. So see, I'm in my ci.csuci.edu account. That's good. I don't want to save this in my Gmail account. So just make sure you're in the right account. You might need to add an account to make sure you're in your CI. All right, so once you've done that, what you're going to do is you're going to make a copy. All right, and this will save into my drive in my CI account. Again, that's why you want to make sure which account you're in. I'm going to delete the name here. I'm going to call this syllabus, and I'll put it for Chem 101. It could be for anything you like. Okay. So now you have this new syllabus. Let me close up the old one. So now you have your syllabus. It's in your drive. You can always access it by going to docs.google.com, or you can access it going to drive.google.com, and you will find your document there. So the next thing you need to do is you need to make sure that anyone can view this. Notice if I go to the blue button up in the top right corner, it says private to only me. That means your students will not be able to see your syllabus. So you want to make sure they can see it. Click on share. And notice this little pen drop down button. Click on that. And I would recommend choosing can view. You don't want your students to edit your syllabus, so just make sure they can view it. Then go ahead and get a shareable link. Okay, so there's a link. I copy the link. Click on the copy link button. Click done. Now go back to your syllabus page. Oops, where's the course? Okay, let me open up my sandbox again. This shows you why it's nice to have all of your courses with a forced into any of your links forced open into a new page, because then your students don't get lost. Okay, so here we are back into the course. Here's that syllabus button. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to edit. I'm going to click on the syllabus image. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go Control K or Command K again if you have an Apple. I'm going to delete this old URL, insert my URL to my course, and importantly, for the target, change it to a new window so your students don't lose your course like just happened to me a second ago. Okay. Now click Update Syllabus. Let's make sure it's working. Let's go back and click on the syllabus image. And ta-da! It opened up to my syllabus Chem 101. Now you can go ahead and edit the required materials that are given to you in the instructions. And once you have edited all of that, you can go back to the assignment, right? And again, these are the things you need to make sure you edit. So the last step here is you're going to submit your sandbox URL. So you're going to go to the top of the assignment page and click on the red button, and you're going to insert your URL. Oops, not to the syllabus. Let's go back and grab to the course. Make sure you grab to the course, your URL. I want to open up your course, not your syllabus. So insert your course URL and submit assignment. And that is it.